The Martin County Sheriff says his deputies arrived at this house on Kokomo Lane at 9:20 Monday night to find 19-year-old Austin Haroof in the driveway on top of John Stevens III in the middle of a violent attack.
When she got there, she realized that the offender was actually biting the victim in the face and causing what turned out to be some substantial trauma to his face from bite marks.
Stevens and his wife, Michelle Mishcon, were sitting in their open garage when Sheriff William Snyder says Haroof began attacking them violently, possibly with his switchblade and other objects he found in the garage.
It was very obvious that there was an enormous amount of violence inside that garage, and both victims sustained massive trauma on multiple portions of their body. There were lacerations, stab wounds, and blunt trauma.
Neighbor Jeff Fisher heard the screams and tried to save them. Here is his breathless 911 call for help.
Young man beating up a woman across the street.
Okay, are they outside or in a house?
It's in a garage.
Okay, can you tell if he has any weapons?
I think he had a knife, but I'm not positive.
Okay, can you tell if she's injured or he's injured?
Say again?
Are either of them injured? Can you tell from where you are?
Yes, there's a girl laying on the ground. He beat her up. I ran over there. I'm bleeding profusely.
More deputies arrived but couldn't get Haroof off Stevens, still tearing at his face with his teeth, according to the sheriff. They had to use a canine and tasers and the strength of 5 deputies before prying the FSU student off his victim. Snyder says they took a grunting, growling, and half-closed Haroof to the hospital.
Once he got to the hospital, he was making animal-like sounds and was somewhat incoherent.
Sheriff Snyder says his deputies could not afford to shoot Haroof for fear of injuring the victim, who died anyway. Haroof was taken to the hospital where his condition has deteriorated substantially. He has been tested for numerous drugs, and they're wondering if perhaps Flocka or something else like bath salts were involved. In Jupiter, Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.